Hi guys, it's Karen again, a little under the weather, so bear with me. I want to do a video on how to use YTD Video Downloader to enhance student classroom learning. This is a great tool for your personal use even, and especially in the classroom, and we'll get to that in just a second. Okay, the first thing I wanted to talk about was, this is the URL to install it, or you can simply Google it. I know that's a lot to, maybe cut and paste or whatever, or write down. So you can just Google it, and that's fine. Some of the advantages of using this program is, number one, you don't have to save it to favorites on your computer. I mean, that is an easy way to get to it. You don't have to do that, because this downloader downloads it onto your computer, so you can access it anytime you want. And another advantage is no ads. It really saves time in the classroom if you don't have to look at those ads all the time, every time you pop it up. Okay. The next one is, it does not require internet. I know some places, especially in rural areas, the internet access is a little sketchy for Wi-Fi. So this you already have on your computer, and it doesn't buffer or anything. It's just right there. You download everything and you have it, and you can put it in a file, put all your videos in a file according to your classes or whatever. It's just really a good tool. Okay, this is what the website looks like when you get to it, and you see the download button there that you can do, and it just kind of tells you what that this thing does. But it's, like I said, it's a very good tool, and it's safe to download. I've downloaded it, and if you don't use it for a while, you usually have to go back and download it again, because it updates occasionally, and I just updated mine because I haven't used it for probably about 6 months. But like I said, it's a really good tool. I use it for personal use and everything like that. So, okay, I wanted to show you what this looked like on a timeline. That's just my daughter and her friend. They were in the band that summer. But this is what it looks like when you open it up. I'm going to bring this into view here. Okay, now all you do, it will paste your URL if you have a video already up, which I do, and it'll paste it automatically, or you can cut and paste it in there yourself if you want to. You push download, and then you see your progress. And in some cases, it doesn't take very long. And you let that download. And there's a converter. You can convert it to different formats if you want. And there's when this will be your playlist, and it'll bring your list up of whatever you have downloaded. So that's that part of it. So that's about it for that. Okay, I paused the video for a little bit. I live in a rural setting, so my internet speed, or my Wi-Fi speed, is just a little bit slow. So I just let it download, and you can see it's 100% downloaded right there. Complete, the status is. Doesn't give a speed. And this is my video that I downloaded. It's 15 mind-blowing science experiments, and I use that. It's just a really neat little video. You can delete it here if you want. There is a folder that you can create to put them in here, or you can simply put them in a folder on the desktop. Like I said, this is a download screen to recap a little bit. And this is, you can use this if you get the Pro, which is only $9.90 a year, which is not very much, but I don't use it that much anyway. It's been a while. This one is really neat. You select the video file, which is science, or whatever you have, and you can delete it after the file conversion, and this will delete it out of your play menu. I like to keep them on there just in case something happens to where I lose them, and I want them again, I don't have to search for them. So, and sometimes you'll have a huge list. I just have a small list now because I had to reload this because it outdates after a certain amount of time if you don't use it. So you have to go back in and reload on the website that I showed you earlier. The conversion quality was high, optimal. Meaning you can go in and pick whatever you want, but I always leave it there. And this is my file that it will be saved to. And this is a volume. You can create the whatever volume you want, high or low, whatever, whenever you're converting this. And that's just how you convert the conversion video thing. And you can cut and do different things with it, and you just get in there and play with it and see about that. And like I said, this is the activity. Now we're going to go to our playlist. This is our directory, like I showed you before, and then this is where you can view recent folders or whatever. You can go in your documents or whatever you want there. And like I said, I save them here. This is the one I downloaded. You can full screen it. Just do different things with it. Play. You can just view them in this mode. And here's another one that I downloaded. The ones that you can do at home. And then there's just some other things that I had downloaded earlier that it saved on there. So it's really neat. And I'll play a little bit of this. Very neat little gadget here. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It was kind of fun to make. Had to figure out a few things, and hopefully it'll be helpful to you.